If you have visited Enugu now and before, what have you noticed in Enugu State? What do you notice that has been happening in Enugu State? Now, a lot of development and a lot of infrastructural development has been going on in Enugu State currently, and the state is evolving and reshaping. With the current governor of Enugu State, its administration has changed the current stage of Enugu State. Now, currently, in this video, I'm going to be stating out the top 3 most important development that has been going on in Enugu State. Now, the first is the healthcare sector. Now, the government currently are paying massive attention in terms of healthcare sector right here in the city of Enugu. And currently, the state governor is building a 260 modern tier 2 primary healthcare center right here in the city of Enugu to help in terms of healthcare in every ward right here in the city of Enugu. Now, this healthcare center is coming to every community right here in the city of Enugu, and this healthcare center comes with 13 hospital beds in each healthcare center. It comes with a 24-hour solar power supply, running water, and more, and a digital hospital record. Here is one of the most important things: all is for free. Now, it's a free healthcare center. That means you're not paying any amount of money. The government is building all these healthcare center for free. That is to tell you how the government are paying massive attention to the people of Enugu State. Now, the second is the educational sector. The government also have been investing heavily in the educational sector of Enugu State. Now, we all hear about the GTC that has been renovated. A lot of renovation has been done in that school, and also currently they are building smart school in every community right here in the city of Enugu. Now, they have been investing in the school sector, and also bringing job opportunity when it comes to the educational aspect of the Enugu State. Now, this is to help the people of Enugu State, their children. The government have the children in their mind to help improve their learning skill. They also help them to generate and acquire their own self-skill. All are being in the educational part of the Enugu State investment scheme. Thirdly is the infrastructural development. The government have been paying massive attention when it comes to the infrastructural projects going on in Enugu State. We all see that there have been a dualization of road in Enugu State, reconstruction of bridges, and also constructing road in some urban parts of Enugu State, making all road network connect to every street in Enugu State. Now, this has transformed Enugu State, has made Enugu State to evolve, and has changed the state. When it comes to neatness, Enugu State is very neat. Enugu State government have been investing heavily in the state, and these have been developing Enugu State. So, when was the last time you visited Enugu State? And if you have visited Enugu State before, what is the new development you have seen in Enugu State? There are more development that has been happening in Enugu State, but I just thought to highlight these 3 most important developments that has been happening and also trending in Enugu State. So if you are looking forward to invest in Enugu State, you want to either buy a property or a land right here in the city of Enugu, that is to tell you that this state is changing and is evolving. All you have to do is to call or WhatsApp me on the number being displayed on your screen. Let's discuss your budget and any part you choose to invest right here in the city of Enugu. I am Fred also your real estate friend based here in the city of Enugu, and my goal is to make sure I give you safe and profitable real estate transaction right here in the city of Enugu.